Hey everyone, welcome back to the next SmartSuite showcase. If you're new here, my name is Nate, and this series is all about giving you insights on how customers are using our platform based on how our onboarding team has been helping out customers. In today's episode, we're going to take a look at how marketing teams are using dashboards as a part of their production and measurement of their marketing campaigns. If you find this solution interesting or want to use it, you can easily download this template by clicking the link in the description below. Without further ado, let's dive right in. So we're back in our homepage. Once again, I want to remind you, you can go down to your workspace, start with a template, go on down to SmartSuite Showcase category. You'll find all the rest of the showcases I've done and the templates I've worked with there. Today, we're going to dive into this marketing showcase. In prior showcases, I've talked about lead management of campaigns and best practices about the production and planning of your marketing campaigns. Today, we're going to focus more on how marketing teams are using dashboards to get an overall view of their production planning and also start the measurement process for their marketing campaigns. If you want to dive deeper into the topics I discussed in other marketing showcases, I'll provide the links in the description as well. Feel free to check those out. To give you a quick overview, we have an app to collect all the information about the campaigns that are going on. We have tasks related to the campaigns, content being produced, objectives we want to hit for the campaigns, and then the leads and opportunities that are coming in as a result. Let's first go to our production dashboard, which gives us a great overview of all the things that are going on for our marketing campaigns, including our tasks. We have a couple widgets at the top, which can be used for important dates and links to meetings that happen around the production and planning of your campaigns and tasks. We have a donut chart on the right tracking the status of all of our campaigns and the potential value of the leads as well, using a chart total. We're using another widget type to bring in our link to Figma, if that's where we're going to be working for our content production. And on the left here, we have two embedded grid views that are from our campaigns and from our tasks. One great thing about using embedded grid views inside of a dashboard is that you can actually do the work directly inside of them and see the tasks and campaigns together side by side. As a result, you can see the flow of automations that you've set up when you create a campaign to create the tasks that initially happen for a campaign. Let's see how. If I go inside of this all active campaigns, I can click add new record and expand the record view to start filling out campaign information. Once you're happy with filling out that campaign, you can save it. And if we go down to our active campaign tasks, the automation to set up the campaign creates that record and puts it directly inside this grid view here. From here, you can open the record, change information, add more tasks that were initially created based on that automation we set up, and save the information live. One thing to note is you can also use our reporting toolbar to filter out tasks that might not be relevant for the production stage of our marketing campaigns. So in this example, we're filtering out status of concept, launch, or canceled. We might want to filter those in for our next dashboard where we're talking about optimization, analytics, and measurement of our marketing campaigns. Let's go down to our measurement and analytics dashboard. Here in this dashboard, we have 3 comparison metrics at the top and 2 charts at the bottom. Once again, this is relating all of the data inside of the solution. So it's pulling from the campaigns and the leads, which can be housed in completely different solutions. This first comparison widget is looking at the leads generated from the marketing campaigns and this last month. We have total campaigns that are active right now inside of this comparison widget. And then we can see the total pipeline influenced, which represents the dollar amount from the opportunities that are coming in from our campaigns. We have 2 chart widgets at the bottom, one tracking the ROI by campaign. This benchmark line here is our threshold of what we expect out of a marketing campaign. We also have a pipeline by campaign, which shows the total revenue from the leads that have come from our campaigns. This dashboard is going to give you a great overall view on the success of your marketing campaigns by relating the opportunities and the dollar amounts that come in as a result of the work you're doing inside of the tasks, contents, campaigns, and meeting those objectives. One great feature that a lot of teams are using is adding these dashboards to their start items. If I click on both the dashboards, add them there, I can easily access these 2 dashboards from my start items list here. I can also use the pin. That way, when I'm in my homepage, I can easily access the dashboards as a point of reference by clicking on the start items. Overall, dashboards are a great way to bring in information from different apps into one place, do the work directly in the dashboards, meet around the dashboards, and then track the measurement by analyzing information from the campaigns, such as the revenue that has come from the leads and opportunities. And that is going to wrap up this SmartSuite showcase. Hopefully you learned a thing or two about how you can utilize dashboards inside of your SmartSuite implementation. If you have any questions or recommendations for a future showcase, feel free to leave that in the comment section below. Once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you next week.